All right, so I finally got everything hooked up. I got my train all hooked up. Had to move some tires on the tractor, a little bit wider stance, get over the windrows. I've got the Staheli West Dew Point 6110 steamer hooked up right behind the tractor, and then right behind that I've got my Krone 1290 high density baler all hooked up. I'm finishing up a few last little hydraulic hookups, electrical hookups. I haven't quite got the steamer hoses hooked up yet. We're gonna do that tomorrow. Get the cameras all done. We're gonna run the steamer and hopefully get it all fired up. Water running through the system, or steam running through the system, so that we know everything works.